no pipes, no well, no rain for 4 days.
Yet water dripping steady into the trough all night long.
That's pure drinking water pulled from the air. Cost me just $12 to build the whole thing. This isn't some crazy new invention. Engineers have known it for over 100 years. Fog collectors in coastal areas, dew harvesters in mountains, rural off-grid spots.
Why you never heard? It works too well and costs too little. No profit in selling it.
You've seen the principle your whole life: condensation on a cold glass. Dew on the grass every morning before the sun rises high.
Spiderweb gathering tiny droplets like a natural collector. Air carries invisible water vapor, waiting for something cold. Hit the dew point, vapor condenses, turns liquid, drips down by gravity. Build a big angled surface into the wind, tilted so drops run off. No moving parts, no power. Set it before bed, it works while you sleep. Atmosphere holds 37 trillion gallons of fresh water, more than all rivers. Parts 6 by 6 feet tight shade cloth mesh, about $5 from garden store. 4 1-inch PVC pipes for frame, zip ties, short gutter, bricks to tilt it. Assemble rectangle 4 feet tall, 3 feet wide, zip corners tight. Stretch mesh drum tight over frame, zip every 6 inches, no sagging.
Don't lay flat, water pools and evaporates in the sun. Tilt 15 to 30 degrees, gravity pulls every drop to the trough.
Face into the breeze, elevate 1 foot off ground, shade from morning sun.
Set up at sunset, check at dawn. Simple routine.
First night, average humidity, over half a liter collected. Humid coastal spots, 1 to 2 liters or more per night easy. Scale bigger, 10 by 10 feet, covers family drinking water daily, free, forever. Air water starts very clean, no soil, no pipes, no runoff pollution. Filter it quick, cut bottle, layer cotton, charcoal, sand, cotton. Pour collected water through, comes out clean. Boil or bleach for extra safety. Ancient tech, Incas used stone condensers, Canary Islands fog nets for centuries. We forgot with taps everywhere, but now you can bring it back for $12. Prepping, off-grid, or just love useful builds, this gives free water from air.
Try it this weekend.
No permission needed.
Pure independence. Stay resourceful.